This is the supplementary white book of Mr. Miles Kevin Condon, Senior Counsel of New Chambers in Sydney. And this matter is in relation to a tort damage case against him. And this was in relation to a leave to appeal application. Now, this folder is very important because it's evidence of tampered court documents, matter that was actually raised before Justices Leeming and Kirk in the New South Wales Court of Appeal. Leave to appeal application. So let's open it up. So we have their folder, and it's quite extensive documents. If you look at the table, you would actually see that the substantive documents they rely on is basically my documents, my affidavit, and exhibit documents. And yet, we have justices that state that there is no basis or evidence of any kind. Well, let's take a look. Most of it is all my documents. And so if you look at the affidavit, which is mine, it is pretty much separated in tabs. And that's fine. You can separate the affidavit and exhibits in tabs. But there's something you cannot and can never do. It is impermissible, it's also a criminal offense, to tamper with one's court documents. Now, what did they do here? They have my affidavit, and then they separated my exhibit documents into tabs. Okay, that's fine. But what I find is that they've inserted documents into my exhibit documents. And you know, because my exhibit documents are paginated. These are not. These are clearly inserted. Who do you think inserted this? Who ran Mr. Miles Condon's case? DLA Piper, partner James Berg and his team. And we have two counsels from New Chambers, Mr. Anthony McInerney, Senior Counsel, and Miss Winnie Louie. So there are no page numbers, which means this is not my exhibit documents. However, they're representing it, and they filed it in court that this is my exhibit documents. This is a very, very serious matter. And of course, we raised it with the New South Wales Court of Appeal Justices. Then you take a look at my folder, and here we have about 4 pages of tables of tampered court documents. And what you would find is that this will never appear in the judgment. The judgment will say there's absolutely no basis, no evidence of any kind. Now watch this. These two documents were actually side by side